Good evening, ladies and gents. So I'm actually going to start by getting you guys to do something for me. Can you all put your left hand up? Brilliant. Can you all put your right hand up? You get your arms down now. I just wanted to see if you'd do it. No, I'm joking. I actually did that for a reason. I wanted to demonstrate control and how incredibly powerful control can be. What I want to do today is tell you about an example of control in nature and how it is incredibly important for us. And this is epigenetics. And over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to tell you what epigenetics is and why it's so important. So we're all made up of cells. You're made up of about 75 trillion cells. You might not be yet, but you will be one day. And what is amazing is every single one of those cells has got the same genome in it. It has the same collection of genes. And what's even more amazing is you have over 200 different types of cell. So you've got skin cells, you've got muscle cells, some of you have even got brain cells. Hopefully you three have. But what's amazing is all these cells have exactly the same genes in. How is this possible? How can you have the same set of genes but be such a different cell? Well, it's all about the way that these genes are controlled. And that's exactly what epigenetics is. Epigenetics literally means on top of or above genetics. It's the way genes are controlled. So I keep talking about genes. How many genes does it take to make a human being? 1 million? 10 million? It's actually only 23,000 genes. Now, 23,000 might still sound like quite a big number, but 23,000 genes is only 1.5% of the human genome. 1.5%. The other 98.5% of the human genome is used for control. It's used in epigenetics. And I keep saying control. What do I mean about controlling genes? Well, the simplest way is to turn genes off. So, example, the cells in your skin, the skin cells, they don't want the genes to make brain cells or muscle cells turned on. So what it does is it simply turns them off by packaging them away. It packages them away into a thing called chromatin. And when they're packaged away into chromatin, they can't be used. So the cells in your skin package away the genes it doesn't need, and then they only ever become skin cells. And that is the very basis of epigenetics. It's all about controlling genes in different ways to get different outcomes. So I'm hoping I've managed to convince you that epigenetics is an incredibly important part of science. And I think epigenetics demonstrates the incredible brilliance, the incredible balance, and the phenomenal beauty of nature. Thank you very much.